Welcome everyone once again. We have been doing chapter 6th of 11th class, that is linear inequalities, and we have successfully discussed the examples and concepts of first two exercises. Only third exercise is left, that is exercise 6.3. This exercise also involves the graphical solution of linear inequalities, but in this there will be two equations, two linear inequalities. In the previous exercise, we have discussed the graphical solution of only one linear inequality, but in this we have been plotting the graph of two linear inequalities. The concept is literally same, but you have to take care of a few things which we will be discussing along with the examples. So without wasting even a minute, let's start with our very first example. Our very first example is we have to solve the system of linear inequalities. There are two linear inequalities. First of all, there is x plus y greater than equals to 5. Second one is x minus y less than equals to 3. This is our first inequality, this is our second inequality. Clear? So firstly, we will follow the same steps that we have followed in the previous exercise. So if you haven't watched that video of exercise 6.2, I would really recommend you to watch that video and then come for exercise 6.3. Firstly, we will take the equality sign only, that is x plus y equals 5. Now put x is equals 0, you will get y is equals to 5. So one point is 0 comma 5. Now again, now put y is equals to 0. This is at x is equals to 0. Now put y is equals to 0. So you will get x plus 0 equals 5. Indirectly you will get x is equals to 5. So your next point is 5 comma 0. Now we will plot these 2 points on the graph. Alright. Now solve the second inequality. That is x minus y is equals 3. Firstly we will consider the equal only. At x is equals to 0, you will get 0 minus y is equals 3, or y is equals minus 3, or the point will be 0 comma minus 3. And at y is equals to 0, you will get x minus 0 is equals to 3, or x is equals to 3. Clear? Now the point will be 3 comma 0. So these 2 points will be plotted, and these points will be for this line, and these 2 points will be for this inequality. So let's plot these points. Let's plot the points. First point is 0 comma 5. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 5. So it will be here only, that is 0 comma 5. Clear? Second one is 5 comma 0. So x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 0. So this point will be 5 comma 0. We'll meet these points. All right. Now we get a line. The thing is, these points are belonging to this line, x plus y equals 5. So that is why you also have to write the equation. So we will write here x plus y equals 5 because it's this line. Now plot the remaining 2 points, 0 comma minus 3. That is here only, 0 comma minus 3. Second one is 3 comma 0. Here only, that is 3 comma 0. We'll again meet these 2 points as well. We've got another line as well. So this line is x minus y is equals 3. So don't forget to write the equations of line on the graph as well. Alright, now we have drawn the graph, we have solved the equations graphically, the linear inequalities. Now we have to find the region who is going to get shaded. Alright, so there are two techniques. The one which we followed in exercise 6.2, that can also work, and the one which we can learn in this exercise. Now x plus y is greater than is equals to 5. So greater equality means x plus y, this is line, so greater means it will be on the right hand side, and less means it will be on the left hand side. So greater means the shading will be on this side. Now x minus y is less than 3, so this is its line. Now it must be on the left hand side, so this region is common. Alright, so this region will be shaded. This is a new technique, it's also easy, but the thing is we can also follow the same technique that we have used in exercise 6.2. that was, now consider x plus y greater than is equals to 5. Now put 0 0 0. Just satisfy the point 0 0 in the line. You will get in the first linear inequality, what will you get? You will get 0 plus 0 greater than 5. Now don't consider the equal sign, so 0 greater than 5, which is not possible. So that is why this region will not be shaded for this line, only this region is shaded. Now talking about this line, again satisfy this point, you will get 0 minus 0 less than 3, 0 is less than 3, so it's right. So for this line the region shaded will be on left hand side, so this region is again common, so by any of the methods the shaded region will be this region only. So this is how you have to find the shaded region, that which region is going to be shaded. All right, it's easy, it's not difficult, so it's totally up to you that you are using just right and left that technique, or you are using the same technique as exercise 6.2. all right, so let's move to the next examples. This is our next example, that is example number 13th, and example 14 and 15 are very much same, so we'll do example 14 only, and example 15 you can try yourself. All right, so if you find any problem in example 15 or any of this sum, you can contact me via Instagram, the link is given in the description, or through the comment section as well. So let's start with the example 13th. Firstly, we will consider the equalities only. So 5x plus 4y is equals 10. This one will be x is equals 2, this one will be y is equals 3. Now these are straight lines, these are parallel lines to x and y axis respectively, so these are very clear, we don't have to put any point because these are points in itself, like 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. all right, so in this, firstly we will put x is equals 0. Now you will get 0 plus 4y is equals 10 is equals 40, 4y is equals 40, y is equals 40 upon 4, that is 10. Alright, so first point will be 0 comma 10. Clear? Second point will be y is equals to 0. You will get 5x plus 0 is equals 40, or x is equals to 40 by 5, or x is equals to 8. You will get 8 comma 0. Clear? So these are 2 points and these are 2 points. Now now let's plot the points on the graph. So let's plot the points. 0 comma 10, 0 comma 10, that is on the y-axis. So 0 comma 10. The next point is 8 comma 0, that is x coordinate is 8. So we will make these 2 points. Alright, now x is equals 2 and y is equals to 3 are parallel lines to x and y axis, not to each other, so don't get confused. X is equals 2 will be like pass from 2, y is equals 3 will pass from 3. So let's plot all these lines. We have plotted all the lines, so let's write the equations of lines. X is equals 2, that is this one, so we will write x is equals 2. Y is equals 3, that is this line, so y is equals to 3 will be written over here. And this line, the equation of this line is 5x plus 4y is equals 40, so we will write here 5x plus 4y is equals 40. Clear? Now we have to find the shaded region only, so let's satisfy 0. Now when you will put 0 plus 0, that is less than 40, so it's right. Alright, so the point will be plotted on the left hand side. Also it's less than inequality, that is why it will be on the left hand side. So on the left hand side there are 4 regions, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to find which region we have to shade. Then we will take help of these inequalities. Now firstly I am helping you to solve and to find the shaded region with both of the methods simultaneously. Firstly I am putting 0 everyone, and I am analyzing whether the inequality is getting satisfied or not, and the second method is just looking at the sign of inequality. Alright, so firstly put x is equals to 0, you will get 0 greater than 2, which is wrong. So for this line the shaded region will be on right hand side. Now still on the right hand side there are 2 regions, that is first region and second region. So we have to find out of these 2 regions which region is going to be shaded. Now let's have a look at the next inequality, that is y greater than equals 3. Firstly substitute 0, so 0 is not greater than 3, so it will again on the right hand side or on the upside of this line. Alright, it's also greater than, it's also greater than. So for this line it must be on the right hand side, and for this line it must be upward only. So that is why our this region is common for all of the lines, so this region will be shaded. Alright, so finding the region which is to be shaded is an easy thing. There are 2 techniques that I have explained, so you can use any one which you are finding easy. Alright, so now we'll practice example number 14th. This is our 14th example, and 15th example is very much identical to this one, so you can try that yourself. So this will be our last example of this exercise. Still, if you find any problem in 15th example or the already done examples or the exercise or the whole chapter, you can contact me or DM me with my Instagram ID that is given in the description link, and apart from that you can also use the comment section. All right, so let's start with this example. Firstly, again we'll do the same steps. Consider the equality sign. 8x plus 3y is equals 100. Now you will not consider these ones because there is a particular meaning of these two inequalities which I will be explaining to you. So firstly we'll solve this. Firstly, put x is equal 0. You will get 3y is equals to 100, or y is equals 100 upon 3. So you will get 33.33 approximately. All right. Now put y is equals 0. You will get 8x plus 0 is equals 100, or x is equals to 100 upon 8. So let's divide. 2 4s are 8, 2 50s are 100, 2 2s are 4, 2 25s are 50. You will get 25 upon 2, which is approximately 12.5. All right, so we have got 2 points. The first point is 0, 33.33, and the second point is 12.5, 0. So let's plot these 2 points, and then I will tell you that what are these linear inequalities for. Let's plot the points. So the first point is 0, 33.3. Y coordinate is 33.3 and it will lie approximately here only. Right, this point is 0, 33.33. Next point is 12.5, 0. So 12.5 will be somewhere here only. So 12.5, 0. Let's meet these 2 points. As you can see that we have gotten a straight line over here, and let's write the equation. Firstly, the equation is 8x plus 3y is equals to 100. Don't forget to write the equation. All right, that's why I am writing it again and again. Now you will get to know that which region is going to get shaded. Now here these are going to play a very important part in finding the shaded region. Firstly, the inequality is less than, so region will be on the left hand side, or if you put 0 and 0 you will get 0 less than 100, which is also true. So the region will be left hand side. Now on the left hand side the shade can be unbounded as well, like we can shade the whole this region as well, all right, including this. But these inequalities are saying that x and y has to be greater than or is equals to 0. So here x and y, the value of x and y only here is 0 0. All right, so the shaded region will be only more than the origin on the right hand side of the origin. So you will get this as your shaded region, included this and this point as well. Because if we consider the inequality, not inequality, the equality, you will get x is equal 0 and y is equal 0. So it means origin, so you also have to involve the origin in the shaded region. So that is why when x and y is given to be greater than or equals to 0, it means that the shaded region has to be on the right hand side of the origin, or you can say the shaded region has to be in the xy plane only. So that is why these inequalities are given. All right, you don't have to use these inequalities as such, but these are the indication that the shaded region has to be in xy plane only. So this is how you plot some of the linear inequalities in which there were 2 linear inequalities or more than 2 as well. All right, you can do 15th example, and I am pretty much sure that the exercise is completely understood by you. Even if you are finding any problem, you can DM me or you can use the comment section. So with this, our 6th chapter of 11th class, that is linear inequalities, is finished. And if you have any query, just do let me know through the comment sections. So before leaving, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the new updates regularly, and also share my channel with most of the students to just provide them with the benefits of my channel. Thanks a lot for a great response, and keep practicing mathematics, and best of luck with your practice. Bye bye.